Good morning, my freaks. Today we're up in Maine and we're trying a new bud out called Black Lime. It is an indica, and we are going to try it in our new pipe that I created this morning. Yes, it's a Twinkie. We're going to smoke from a Twinkie today. And basically all you do is you hollow out a nice little hole in it, and then cut a bowl out, and you don't worry about a screen or anything, because you don't need one, because the Twinkie holds everything nice and nice right in there. And hollow the hole out and put a hole in the top there. You don't need to go get crazy and get a fucking carburetor or anything like that. And then enjoy. Oh, lighter malfunction. There we go. Black lime with a hint of Twinkie. Makes for a great bowl. And as you smoke and get high, you can eat. So, you get a chance, get yourself a Twinkie, get yourself some black lime. And enjoy. Peace, my freaks.